and confess. We're looking for you, we gon' find you, we gon' find you. So you can run and tell that, run and tell that, run and tell that. Homeboy, homeboy. We got your t-shirt to the left fingerprints and all. You are so dumb, you are really dumb, for real. You are really so dumb. I was attacked by some idiot in the project. So dumb, so dumb, so dumb, so. He's climbing in your windows, he's snatching your people up, trying to rape them. So y'all need to hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband, cause they raping.
First I was an assistant, and I actually came in mopping floors for being a janitor, and then they finally hired me. I got some training in, moved up the ranks pretty quickly, and here I am today. Catch a lot of bad limits. Calculus is a very dangerous, job occupation these days. I love my job though.
Hi, I'm Epsilon. I've worked with Delta for 5 years, and it's pretty fun. We get the bad guys and we like prove limits to be true and false and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm the camera guy. Nickname's Bill. Also, other nickname's Jim. I normally ride with Delta. He's a pretty crazy guy. I see some gruesome stuff and riding with him. This is my baby. This is what I carry around all the equipment with. Yeah.
Epsilon, what are you doing?
Just proving some limits here.
We're back at headquarters, where we work, where all the action starts.
The limit of f of x is equal to L as x approaches A exists if for every epsilon is greater than 0, there exists a delta greater than 0, such that the absolute value of x minus A is less than delta whenever the absolute value of the function minus L is less than epsilon.
What you got over here, Delta?
Oh, hey Epsilon, I'm actually have a little treat for you. I'm going to teach you how exactly to prove a limit true or false. So if you want to take a closer look, here we are. We're proving this limit x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 4 as x approaches 3. So right here, this is our function, f of x. This is going to be our L, 4. And here a is our 3 as x approaches 3. So we all know this is the regular equation that you're going to plug f of x, L, and a into. So we have f of x minus L is less than epsilon. And we're going to have x minus a is less than epsilon. So basically, we're going to try to make these two equations that are in the absolute value have the same value so we can compare epsilon and delta and make sure delta is always smaller. So as we take our first step, we're plugging in. The a is substituted for 3, L is substituted for 4, and f of x is substituted for x squared minus 2x plus 1. So first, on the left-hand side, we're distributing, so 1 plus negative 4 is negative 3. So that's simplified right here. Another step, we're factoring x plus 1 and x minus 3. And see how we have x minus 3 over here? We're going to try to make these equal. So we're going to go ahead and divide this side by x plus 1 and the epsilon by x plus 1. So down here, we're going to end up with x minus 3 is less than epsilon over x plus 1. And so once we have this, we know that these are equal. So basically we have delta is less than epsilon over x plus 1. But here we all know that you can't just leave a variable in the answer. So we're going to plug back in our x, which is 3 at the beginning. So we're going to have delta is less than epsilon over 4. And this is our answer, and we know it's true because it works. Typical day, out on patrol. Napa, as we're in the Delta vehicle. I think I heard about a call. We got a number 42 around here. Call number 42. It's a strange man. Dust up. I don't know where he is. I think he's up here somewhere. And there he is, there he is!
There he is!
Right there, get him, get him! Okay, watch him. Alright, I'm gonna get him. Get him. Alright, stop. Put your hands behind your back, sir. Hands behind the back. Drop the hand. Harder, get out. Get him, come on. Mike, the right to remain silent. The nunchucks. Get over here, got it. Those are valuable. Got him, nunchucks. My grandparents. Good job, Epsilon.
Get him, Delta.
I don't have a shot. I can't get him. I can't.
Too many civilians.
This way. There he is. Double back. Three. I got a shot. I got a shot. Get down, sir. Sir, get down. Down. We are Epsilon and Delta. Get up. We got him, Epsilon. We got him this time. You're not escaping this time. It's crazy. Sir, why are you lifting weights?
Why are you lifting weights?
Do you know why you're here?
Do you know why you're here?
I don't even know where I am.
Sir, what is your name?
What is your name?
I don't even know.
He doesn't even know.
We found this on you.
Are you serious?
Do you
I
recognize?
don't even know what that is.
Do you recognize this limit?
Do you recognize
What's a limit?
Sir, do I have to prove this right in front of you to tell if this limit is false or true?
Do it. I don't care.
Yeah.
Can I go home? Please?
Would you shut up?
My wife is waiting.
I'm about to prove you guilty!
Where am I again? Have you answered that?
Does this even factor? Sir?
What's factor?
I think you're guilty. This does not factor. Epsilon.
I shouldn't even be here.
Epsilon, I think we got him right here. Let me just do this one last check.
Right here.
Sister, don't talk to me.
Does this equal? 4 plus 6 does not equal
Cool, you know-
-2!
Yeah, you know numbers.
You're guilty!
Oh, no!
We caught you.
I shouldn't even be in here.
We finally caught you.
Justice has served.
Your limit is wrong.
What's limit?
Your limit is false.
Epsilon and Delta proving limits false.
High five, Epsilon. It's a good day's work. Let's go inside.
I don't even know what they're talking about. Ah!
I hate math.
I hate math. I don't even know it. Ah!
Showing how we shine, we gotta push it to the limit, cause we're in it to win it, oh yeah, push it to the limit, give it all we can give it, we're in it to win it, oh yeah. Push it to the limit, that's right, gotta turn it up. That's the way we do it now. No time to stop. The champions are in the house. Yeah, we can be winners 'cause we understand our destiny.